Amakhosi CAF Confederation Cup campaign resumed on a cautious note as they were held to a goalless draw by AS Simba in a tightly contested first-leg encounter at the TP Mazembe Stadium on Saturday afternoon. The fixture marked the beginning of the post-Nasruddin Nabi era for the Soweto Giants, with interim coaches Cedric Case and Khalil Ben Yusuf stepping into the technical area following Nabi's departure last week. Amakhosi made two adjustments from the side that suffered a culling knockout defeat to Stellenbosch before the international break. Special Ndlovu returned from injury to reclaim his spot in midfield, while Brandon Peterson was restored in goal ahead of Fiacre Ntwari. Rising star Mduduzi Shabalala meanwhile started from the bench. Despite a disciplined start, Amakhosi found themselves under sustained pressure from the Congolese host. Peterson was called upon on several occasions to keep Chiefs in the contest, producing key saves to deny Simba's front line. The home crowd thought their side had fought the breakthrough midway through the first half, but celebrations were short-lived as the assistant referee's flag went up for offside. With the scores locked at 0-0 heading into the break, Chiefs looked to inject more energy into their attack after the hour mark. Shabalala and Thabo Cele were introduced for Ndlovu and Nkosimphihle Ngcobo as the visitors sought to tilt the momentum in their favor. The judges brought renewed purpose, and in the dying stages, youngster Mfundo Vilakazi came close to snatching a vital away goal. His well-struck free kick from distance forced a superb fingertip save from Simba goalkeeper Dida Fatou, who pushed the effort over the crossbar to prevent the stalemate. Ultimately, neither side could find the decisive touch, leaving the tie finally poised ahead of the return leg in Johannesburg. Amakhosi will now turn their attention back to domestic juices as they prepare to face Siwelele in a Betway Premiership clash on Wednesday evening at Dobsonville Stadium. With everything still to play for, Amakhosi faithful will be hoping home advantage proves the difference when the teams meet again on South African soil. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.